Number 3. This is a probability problem. So I would look at chapter 2 in Common Core Achieve. And I think that whole chapter would benefit you on this problem. Hector surveyed a random sample of 60 employees at a company, and 36 said they drive to work. Based on the results of the survey, of the 300 total employees at the company, what is the expected number that drive to work? Now, there are a couple of ways to solve this problem, and I'm going to show you 2. There are many ways, actually, but I'm going to show you a couple of ways. I would do it with ratio and proportion. This is the way Amanda would do it. I would say that we are looking at the number of employees who drive to the total number of employees. So in his sample, 36 said they drive out of the 60 in the total sample, his random sample. And then we want to make a projection on the 300 total employees who work at the company. So this is a proportion that is solved by first cross multiplying. So you would have 300 times 36. I cannot do math in my head, so I always use a calculator. That is 10800. And then we are going to divide that number by 60. So I believe that 180 of the 300 employees drive to work. So that's my answer. I would go with C on this one. Here is another way to do this problem. You could say, okay, 36 out of 60. Sorry, I forgot I'm not on the pen. 36 out of 60 is what percentage? So 36 divided by 60 is 0.6 or 60%. And then you could set up a problem that says, what is 60% of 300? And you may even have learned the triangle method to do a percent problem. This is where I don't know how you've learned to do percents. When I taught it with the top method there, the ratio and proportion. But you may have seen something like this. Where this is telling me to multiply the percent times the whole. So I would say 60% times 300. And you know what that's going to be? 180. So that method will also work. You can use either method here to get that answer of 180 people.